Okay, everybody, today we are in the Shelby Township Town Hall building in Shelby Township, Michigan. And we have an elevator over here, so let's take a ride on it. GAL Fixtures. There's your GAL lantern. Here's the elevator, which don't know what it is. Let's go back to LL, and the door closes when you push the button. I'm gonna show you something really quick, if I'm able to do this. I don't know if you guys are able to see it, if the button lit up or not. No, probably not. Doesn't take long at all to level, very nice. Unfortunately, that lantern doesn't work. Other than that, it's a very nice elevator.